You gotta keep it moving like this. It's hard to do because I don't have two hands here, but you gotta hold the pipe, hold the that, and just all while there's still heat on here. Yeah, I got to the bottom, nothing burned at all. I just want to get some extra moisture out, which is what I'm doing with a low flame, which I may lower a bit more if I start to see some burns. This is real hot steam. I do have a temperature reader with a LiDAR, but not with me. Okay, it's off the heat, and I've just been putting full strength. Try to hold that thing still while I'm lifting it up all around. Get to the very bottom of the plate, and then, well, you can't see, but I can see, and I can also touch with a fork. Look, it's not really burned, and with a fork, even with a fork, I don't feel anything in the way. That means I didn't burn the bottom of the pot with the rice, or the rice with the pot. Now, one thing is, this looks more like mashed potatoes. I guess because it's such a large batch and I had to do so much moving that it just sort of all blended together. I like to have individual pieces of rice like that, or like that. Let's see, or like that. Not like that, but like that. And yeah, when you take this out, it's almost like a gummy. Let's take a look. But yeah, I think once you break it apart, then you know it's rice. It is a little bit sticky. Wow, it's really hot. But that just makes me glad I drained the starch as much as I did. I put extra butter. Let me see how it's. It's getting better. As it dries out, it's going to get hopefully a nuttier, crisper flavor.